guys, good morning. I'm so excited. Today I'm decorating for Christmas, putting everything together. I had taken the boxes out a couple weeks ago, and it wasn't even Thanksgiving yet. I was like, you know what, we should just give the house a chance, keep up those decorations until first. So that's today, and I'm so excited. So I plan on getting as much of the decorations I can as I can possibly get I've been a little in my recently. We're literally so fast. I'd like to get it yeah, there's been so much going on. It's like a special family. Just like I've been crazy. But it was Will's birthday, it was my mom's birthday, it was my sister's birthday, their anniversary. Sadly, Will's grandmother passed away. There's just been, a lot of family things going on. So the last couple weeks have really just been about us and our family time, just things we typically do around this time. I'm hoping to get as much VLOGMAS done as possible this year. I also have a lot of other content planned, like do-it-yourself stuff. You guys typically like my DIY holiday content, what I do in day videos. So I would love to know what you guys want to see. So definitely comment that down below. So I don't know what you're looking for. My content is very broad. There's just so many topics, which is really fun, but at the same time, it takes a little bit of consider what you guys are a fan of. I also put up tree holiday looks. Yeah, whatever's looking for, you guys are looking for, whatever's looking fun, definitely comment that down below. Today we might go get a Christmas tree also. We were gonna go last night and then it started raining. We've also been kind of torn about if we want to get an artificial tree. If you guys have one ready below, realistic one, comment that down below. This year I think we're just going to get another real tree until we finally decide which one we want to go with, because there's just so many out there. Also, we just love the smell of a real tree. I don't know. The only thing I don't like is all the pine needles coming off and having to remember to water it. Responsibility. But anyways, I'm gonna get my life together and then I'm going to start decorating. So I'm gonna share that with you guys today and maybe also incorporate one of the DIYs. I don't know, but let's get started on today. So this is how my hutch turned out. Honestly, I'm sure some of it will change again because I'm just that OCD about holiday decorations. I'll post everything in the description box for you guys with direct links to shop. Check that out if there's anything that you guys want to buy for yourself. And also for the DIY projects like these little gingerbread people, these fake little cookies. There's a bunch of things in here I made myself, so I'll link video links to that in the description box too if it's not mentioned in this video. here's how the bookshelves are turning out in the fireplace mantle area. Still needs a little bit of work, and I'm also, I think, gonna put the giant clock up here. You guys have seen it before if you've seen any of my previous videos that showed my living room, or on Instagram also I have some pictures. I had a giant clock here, which is actually right here on the ground. It's one of my favorite pieces, and it's very large, so it looked really nice there, but it's been there for like a year and I just wanted to change, and I thought it would look nice right in the center there. I'm gonna get that up later today to be just like a nice focal point there. I'm also still kind of torn where to put the Christmas tree this year. Last year we did not have that little like coffee bar area, so we put our tree there, which was really nice because you can see it has like this little random wall here. But that little cubby area was perfect for the tree, and you could see it out the window and the door. It was just really nice. But because that's there, I think this year we're gonna try and put it in the living room. So I'm possibly thinking of putting it back where that chair is. If we can slide the chair over, put the tree there. What do you guys think? And then the other project I started working on is the hallway slash foyer area. I started to decorate some of the table and wall here and the stairs. I'm still waiting on the rest of my garland to come in because I ordered some to kind of beef it up. I think that's getting delivered today or tomorrow. So I'll finish that once it's here, but this is how my little foyer table is coming out. Pretty simple, kind of a mix between like year-round decor and holiday decor. And this guy too was on that table in the living room before, but I just wanted to move it, kind of change it up a bit. So I spent pretty much most of the day cleaning and setting up holiday decor with my little Broodle. I started to make dinner about an hour ago. So I'm just making some chicken corn chowder. I actually have a recipe on this if you guys are interested on a what I eat in a day video, so I'll link that below if you guys want to watch that. But just waiting for Will to get home from work, and we're gonna go run out and grab our Christmas tree and then enjoy some dinner. It's beautiful, Clark. Oh, we need to clean your windows.
A lot of sap.
We're the only ones here. What'd you think, Brew? Oh, the size is perfect for the height. Time for some wine. Ooh. I'm gonna get started wrapping my niece's presents. I did really well this year at TJ Maxx. Pretty much all of this is from TJ Maxx. All super affordable, obviously. So I'm gonna get started wrapping hers. I've already wrapped a few other little odd and end gifts for other people, but I don't want to show those because I don't want them to see their gift before they receive it. But my niece is only 4, so she's obviously not gonna ruin the surprise for herself. She honestly was really hard to shop for this year because she's at a hard age where she wants to do things herself, but she gets frustrated. The games that I got her are kind of spread out age-wise. This is so cute. I love Toy Story though. The new one's really cute with Forky. Officer Giggle McDimples. That's her name. So cute. Paw Patrol, metallic tattoos, activity book, snacks. Then, look, I got laser tag. Isn't that cool? Toy Story 4, laser tag blasters, up to 100-foot range, 3 firing modes with sound effects. It vibrates when you get hit. You have 3 LED lights for your life indicator. I mean, I think this looks fun for me. Remote control Paw Patrol. Marshall. Jenga or fake Jenga? Fanga. This doesn't have a recommended age on it. She'll grow into it. And Twister. Then the clothes I picked up, they're all from TJ Maxx. Like, honestly, this video might as well be sponsored by them. I just always have such good luck at TJ Maxx, Marshalls, Home Goods, Home Sense, all of those. Not all of these are going to be her size. I just figured she would grow into them because she's growing so quickly. Plus for the season. So this is actually for a size 6, but she's currently 4, so she will definitely grow into it, and it's so soft. I have one very similar that I wear all the time, and I'll link that down below. And I believe actually it's on sale, and I get compliments every time I wear it, but it's seriously one of the most cozy things that I own. So I figured, why not get her one very similar? Super soft, like that Sherpa. It's like a cloud, so I hope she loves it, and we're gonna match. Then I got her a bunch of leggings because they're just perfect to mix and match with different outfits. So these are actually a 5'6", and I got her a pair of black ones, gray ones, and like this light pink color. Super cute and easy for a bunch of different outfits. They were super cheap. I think they were each like $3. Then a couple other essentials. I got her a 2-pack of camis, a white and a gray, and undies. She's really into Peppa Pig still, so picked her up a 3-pack of these. Can never have too many undies. These I thought were super cute. These are a size 4-5, just some Nike shorts, very lightweight, comfortable. They have the built-in undies on the inside. I have a bunch of pairs like these that I wear all the time too. This I thought would go well with the cami and leggings, or really anything just to layer with. Again, it's super soft. This one's actually from Marshalls, and it's a size small, so that says it's a 7-8. She's just gonna have to grow into some of these, but it's better to go up a size than down a size. And I like the color of it too. It'll look really pretty on her. And then the last thing is actually a set. So this is a 5T. And it's like a complete outfit. So it comes with this really cute jacket. It's like a trench, and it's belted, has buttons. This is a 5T? Yeah, 5T. And it's got like this ruffle on the sleeves. It's just so adorable. Comes with another pair of black leggings and just a very light colored pink shirt with the matching ruffles, just like the edge of the jacket. Super easy to wear together or mix and match. Such a good deal. She's gonna be the most stylish 4, 5, 6-year-old ever. So yeah, that's everything I picked up for her. She is spoiled. So I just ran to Michael's, and they were having a huge sale on all the Christmas items, so I picked up a couple things I want to show you guys quick. The first items are these garlands, so they're actually all 3 different, which to be honest I didn't notice at first, but I think they're gonna be able to blend in together nicely. They look super real, and they feel pretty real too. So I got those. I also got a couple more picks. I think these are called picks or stems. This one's a stem. Yeah, so actually these are bigger, so they're stems, but similar concept. So just the faux greenery. Some have the shimmer on them. Actually, I'm gonna turn my flash on. Oh, that's so much better. So now you can actually see that they're like shiny and glittery. Kind of. If I go really fast, make you guys get seasick. But they're super pretty in the light. So I just wanted to mix some with the glitter on them and then some of the regular ones. But I like to pull these off, you can see I already started, and put them in different things like lanterns and vases, and also you can incorporate them in your garland to really beef them up. We are gonna decorate our Christmas tree tonight, so I'm just waiting for Will to get home. I'm so excited! Are you excited, pups? I also picked up a couple other types of garlands. So this one I thought was so cute. So everything Christmas related was 60% off. That was a really good deal. But this one has the reindeers, and Rudolph has the red nose and the red sleigh. Super cute for like a mantle, or I don't really know where I'm gonna put it yet. And also this one, it's got the red kind of distressed stars. And I also thought this would be good not only for Christmas, but 4th of July. So use that multiple times a year. Then I picked up a couple more gift tags because I have a lot of paper that's solid, So with the bow, ribbon, and gift tags, it kind of dresses it up a little bit, but I thought they were really pretty and simple. Oops, oh shoot. And then the last thing I picked up was this sign. I thought was also really cute, like kind of farmhousey, but it's like got the stressed kind of markings to it, and it just says the reindeer's names. Haven't really figured out where I'm gonna put this yet, maybe the foyer, but really cute and simple. I'm also currently in the middle of, well, it looks like a disaster, but this is actually me organizing and putting together what I will be using for our upcoming Christmas party. Such a cute and fun idea. I'm so excited. Our neighbors decided we should do little Christmas. What are you doing? Little Christmas party where we go house to house, and each house has a drink and like a snack or an appetizer or some type of food to pair with it. So all the couples are gonna go house to house and walk around the neighborhood, and I'm really excited. So ours is the last house, so I thought we should do like a dessert type thing. So we're gonna do pumpkin rolls as the dessert food, and then we're gonna have a hot cocoa bar, and of course they're gonna have their option to dress it up however they want with whatever flavors and also whatever liquor or alcohol they want to add to it. Adulting. But I can't wait to put it all together. I picked up these little stirs, which I thought would also be really cute and fun to make yourself. How much was it? Oh shoot. So this was from TJ Maxx. I basically live there. And it was $8. And you get how many in here? So there's, I think, 10 in there, and it's half and half. So half are the chocolate and marshmallows and half are the crushed peppermint. But I thought those were really fun. They're not for puppies though, I'm sorry. Also, I put another box of them in here. In a little jar, I have little mini chocolate chips, regular chocolate chips. These are mint flavored chocolate chips, peppermint sticks or candy canes, large marshmallows, white chocolate chips, mini marshmallows, peppermint marshmallows, a lot of peppermint theme going on. Teeny tiny marshmallows. Yeah, and then I have like these little signs that I picked up. So I got two styles and sizes because I wasn't sure which ones I use. So these mini guys are like little chalkboards, and then these are little dry erase boards. Super cute to label everything. And I also picked up a bunch of little spoon thingies to put with each little item in the station. And then I have these. I'm gonna need to get more, but these are what I have so far. Really cute. Little hot cocoa pictures on there, the buffalo cat, and then this one's cute too. Little blonde and brunette, BFFs. So I'm kind of just pulling everything out for now that I know I'm gonna want to use, and then I'm gonna set that up, but I'm not really sure where yet because I haven't completed putting the house together yet. And then tomorrow we're actually having two of our best friends over to do something that we actually did also last year, which was so much fun. So we made cookies, we decorated them like holiday Christmas theme, and yeah, we just kind of hung out till like 3 a.m. But it was just so much fun to catch up and do fun little crafty type things. So this year I got a mini gingerbread village. So there's gonna be 4 of us, so I figured we can each have a little mini house to decorate. Then I'm also going to make gingerbread cookies or gingerbread men, women, and then all of the extra things to decorate with. So, you know, sprinkles, peppermint. I don't really know why I have gummy bears in here, but look at these candy mustaches. So cute. Yeah, just a bunch of different types of candies to put with it, and then also cookie icing, which I thought would be fun to use to make the little ginger people. So lots of like groups of things that I'm doing going on.